Hello everyone, as title suggests, today I'll be guiding you to how to install Django in your Android phone. First of all, you need a Termux app, so let me install this app. The process of installation of Termux has been changed, so if you don't know, you can search it on YouTube. Now open the Termux. First you have to fire two commands, one pkg upgrade, then pkg update. So it will fix all the bugs in your Termux. It will take time, so wait patiently and make sure that you should have good internet connection to perform all these steps. Now here type pkg update. I made some mistake, so type it again, pkg up. So once it update, first we need to install Python because Django is Python framework, so we need Python. To install Python, type pkg install Python. Whenever you encounter this kind of interface where you have to type yes or no, always type yes. Why? States that pip is now separate from Python. So what we gotta do is we need to install pip as well. So if you want to check if Python is installed or not, simply type python -- version. So it will show which version of Python you are using. After performing all these steps, there is command called pwd, which tells you about your current directory. Now in this directory you have to make another folder which will contain our Django file. So for that you have command called mkdir, that is make directory, and then directory name. So here I am writing mkdir Django. You can type ls to view the files inside your current directory. So there is one Django that I've created recently. cd means change directory, so you have to enter in this file Django. Now I have entered. First of all, we have to perform installation of virtual environment. So for that I'll write the code pip install virtualEnv. So it's once it is installed, you have to name your virtual environment. For naming your virtual environment, what you have to do is type virtualEnv and then the name of the virtual environment. In this case I'm writing it virenv. Now you can see there is folder inside Django by doing ls. We have to activate this virtual environment by running virtual /bin /activate. By initiating this command, your virtual environment will be created. I have made some mistakes, so typed it again. Now once your virtual environment is started, now you can install Django inside your virtual environment. So for that you have command pip install Django. I'm again telling you, make sure that you have good internet connection, otherwise these steps will not execute properly. Django has been installed. Now you have to create a project. There is two things in Django, there is project and there is app. First you need to create project. So for that the command is django-admin start project and then project name. Okay. So django-admin start project, this is the command, and then your project name, whatever you want to name it. I have named it first project. So yeah, it will create a file name first project and all my utility files will be in this folder. Now if I do ls, then you can see that there is two folders. First project that I have created recently and one is virtual environment. You have to change the directory again. So type cd and first project. You have to enter in that directory. In this directory you will get multiple files. One will be manage.py. Here manage.py. Now in this directory you have to fire the command called python manage.py runserver. It will provide you a virtual server which you can copy paste in your browser and your Django will start. Here this HTTP, this is my virtual address. Now I'm using Chrome, so pasting it in Chrome and yeah, here it goes. So we have successfully installed our Django in Android.